This is a story about my fridge door, how it got tightened up a bit more, and about the guy who decided to do it. He looked at the door and he said, I'd screw it. His problem seemed to be he always tried to please. We asked for the impossible, he'd do it with ease. So far I guess it doesn't sound that bad. These are some of the questions he had. Would you like me to pretend that I'm dead? Would you like it if I tattoo my forehead? Would it be for the best if I threw myself down a shopping mall wishing well? And I wished him well, but I couldn't be his friend. I feared I'd make him meet his end. And I told him screw this, and then he did. And now my fridge door is so tightened a bit.